Assalamu alaikum. Here is the construction update for this week. The carpentry contractors are installing the remainder of the ceiling tiles. The grease for the kitchen exhaust hood will be wrapped with 3 Empire wrap today. The MDX site is here working on the basin conversion. Everything is complete except for the required perk testing, which will start today and possibly go through Monday. The carpet was installed in the women's prayer area and men's prayer entrance. The playroom and conference room carpeting has started. The tiles contractor was here to complete all the bathroom vanities and start the wudu walls. Please continue donating as much as you can as we are nearing the end of the project. Jazakallah khair for your support.